All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the Tribit Movebuds. All right, so these retail for about $89 on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description if you decide to purchase. Now, these are my personal favorite type of earbuds because they have antibacterial coating. They have IPX8 waterproof. They have about 65 hours on battery life. They are very inexpensive for the price. These are better than Beats Pro. 18mm fidelity, true treble and bass optimization. They have very good battery life, very good noise cancellation and transparency mode. They have an enhanced transparency mode as well for only $90, and they usually go on sale as well. And they're made by Tribit, which if you don't know what Tribit is, they have a really good audio codec that makes it sound really good for all their earbuds. Now let's go and jump into it. Now they do have an app which you can go ahead and download. It'll be Tribit and it'll look just like this. We do have an orange on the back. I love the Tribit box. Like I said, a Qualcomm aptX right there. Right, so on the top you do have a user manual, which you can easily go through all the basics of it, all the app stuff and everything else like that. It says remove it and how to wear. You basically have to flip them. You do have all the Tribit accessory. So right now I've set mine to the second one, but the preset is on one. If you want to change it, you have to download the app, and it also shows you right here. Here are the earbuds on top. We'll move those to the side. We do have basically a tray of ear tips here. You have extra small, small, medium, large, and extra large. Very nice. And then you also do have a charging cable right here on the bottom, USB Type-C to USB-A, and that'll allow you to charge up these really quickly with USB-C. They have a nice look on the front, the design and the LEDs right there. I don't know if you can see that, little LEDs. It does have LEDs on the case, left and right, or right and left I should say. That's what this looks like. The magnetic clasp on here is very strong. It starts right around there and then it just closes. One hand, it's not really that good to open, so the case is a little hard to open. So I don't really like the case design, especially since they do have very poor magnets. But you know, you don't really need to be always taking them out the case, you know. And this is a size comparison between AirPod Pros, but they are still pocketable, and you just throw them in your gym bag or something like that. It's very easy. You got the contact pins, you got right here, you got a microphone right there. We will test out the audio quality for sound. All right, so this is an audio test of the microphones on the Tribit earbuds. We do have a bunch of noise going in the background. We can connect them here. All right, now that we're connected, we have modes here. Mode settings, which were on enhanced and transparency, and the control mode 2. We're both at 100% for the left and right. Still, no battery dead after a week of usage constantly. I switched from my AirPod Pros to this one, and it's a game changer for sure. Right now we're on enhanced transparency, but once you record or you're doing other audio or specific, it'll auto-tune it and change to a lower noise, change to a noise cancellation. And if there's background noise, it'll help a little bit, not too much, but it'll help a little bit, so you can hear your voice more than the background. So we can't connect because we're recording, but when you go into the mode settings, you have transparency, enhanced transparency, and normal. And normal is basically the CPC-8 noise cancellation. All right, what is going on, guys? So we have a audio test of the Tribit Movebuds. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? There we go. Okay, so it didn't really do a good job. You can still hear me nonetheless, even when it's coming in the background or anything like that. But once you have them on your ear, they're so comfortable and you don't really want to take them off, especially since how good the sound quality is. I can hear details in a song that I haven't heard before on other earbuds, such as AirPod Pros or any other type of headphones or anything else like that. And when I hear on this, I'm like, wow, I never noticed that little small detail. It's like more crisp and clear and more defined. We're going to get into on how to pair it for the first time and everything else like that. All right, like I said, the app is named Tribit, so you're going to go ahead and download it down below. You're going to go ahead and open it up. You're going to hit the plus on this right hand side, and you're going to press Movebuds. It'll pop up right there, auto connect. If it doesn't connect, then you do have to put them in the case, hard reset them, just push on the earbuds for about 15 seconds until they make a noise, and then take them out the case, redo it, and then you should be good. That's what I did and it worked. So then once you're connected, you can go ahead and press it right here. I don't know if it'll be connected. All right, so now we're connected here. Now the equalizer I use the most is bass and treble, and it just sounds really good, but you can customize it to your fitting, and you basically can edit, move them around if you need to. And to customize it, just click it and you can change basically the decibel from 31 to 500, which is really cool. So you have all the lows, mids, highs, trebles, bass, everything else like that straight off the bat, which is really nice. So you can easily do all that. Let's go in bass and treble. That's my personal favorite just because I listen to a certain type of music which goes really good with it. But you can have more brightened music or slow song, heavy metal, rock, live, electronic, soft bass, soft treble, rap, classical, strong bass, so anything else like that. It's really, really good. Or the default. The default out of the box, it sounds alright. So I highly recommend you download the app and it'll automatically make them 10 times better. That's where the selling point is on these earbuds. Alright, now we did do an intensive waterproof test, so we did go ahead and take a shower for about 30, 20, 40 minutes. I don't know how long it was, but we did a very long intensive test. We did multiple days. Now we did take multiple showers with it as well. It's still holding up strong. And I love that these have hooks because in normal earbuds with normal earbuds with no ear hooks, they will fall off and easily just fall down. And usually they tend to break because they fall down. And these ones stay in your ear. They have a nice tight seal in the ear and it will block out basically all the water from getting into the system or into your ears, or just making it uncomfortable. This makes it way more comfortable and you can still hear the sound. You can choose to have the transparency on or off. You cannot hear the water or anything else like that. So it's really cool. I recommend this for sure. Matter of fact, these are so good that I actually edited this exact video fully on these earbuds. It was very comfortable. The battery obviously didn't die. The noise cancellation was amazing. And it was just a very good experience. I really liked them. Now, if there's anything else I didn't cover, I covered pretty much all the specs. They sound good. I covered EQ. I covered the app. I covered sound quality. I covered everything from noise cancellation and transparency mode. The transparency mode sounds decent. It's not AirPod Pro level, but it is decent for the price. And it's better than definitely most earbuds that I have tried in the past. But nonetheless, these are really good sport earbuds. Very, very good. You'll be seeing these in the future for sure because I will be keeping these. These are my must-have for 2022 for sport earbuds in that category for sure. So if you guys want to check it out, make sure you check it out in the link in the description down below, and I will see you guys in the next one, and we out.